Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are taking this blue color of nylon thread. You can take whatever color you like. At the top, we are going to make 9 to 10 knots like this. After this, remove one bead and you have to put the end of the blue thread around it like this and tie a knot. Similarly, repeat the same process. Put another bead and then you have to tie the knot as well. So yeah, remove the threads like this and look, it's done. You will get this beautiful pattern. Tie a red thread at the center. Now take another one and start tying knot over and over again on the top of it like we are doing here. Make a large loop like this from the front and then from the back side of the thread like this, and look, you will get this beautiful twisted pattern. And tie a knot and it's done. We are taking this red and yellow color of thread, tie a knot at the top portion. After this, we are taking the red one here and alternate way we are going to take this yellow one as well and repeat the same process of tying knot on the red nylon thread like this. Pull it tightly over and over again and you have to change the sides as well. So take both of the threads, repeat the same process and you will get this beautiful design at the end. You can make bracelets or friendship bands and many more. Tie a red color of thread at the center. Now take this beautiful combination of blue and red color of thread. Here we are going to overlap both of them together on the center part and repeat the same process over and over again. Here we are going to do the same and we are making this cross pattern on the top of the center thread like this. Finally, you have to do this. You can decide the length and it's done. We're going to make this beautiful pattern using yellow color of nylon thread. So make a loop like we're doing here from one end of the thread like this, and you have to remove the other end like this through the hole. Pull it tightly and you will get this design at the end. Here we are going to use these 4 red threads and 2 blue one. We are going to tie knot using the center part of red threads like this. After this, we are going to hold the outermost blue and red color of thread and tie a knot. Do the same from other side as well. Tie 2 knot like this. After this, we are going to hold the center part and make a cross sign. After this, hold the red thread of other one and tie a knot and do the same from this side as well. Here we are going to make this flower pattern and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.